Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today I show you the difference between the MST iCore 2.0 and MST iCore 3.0 advanced version. Also, I will teach you how to trade using both the indicators or which indicator you want to subscribe and what are the features we have in the new indicator and the old indicator. So everything we will see in this video. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as to our Telegram channel. So this is our MST School of Trading, and this is our only authorized contact number to know the details about the indicator. So don't follow any other contact number. If someone says that they are from MST School of Trading, don't believe them, because in market there are many fake people have come. Now let me show you a very simple logic of 2.0. Actually, the logic of 2.0 and 3.0 both are same. The basement is same. Okay. First, let me explain you the strategy of both, which is common to 2.0 and 3.0. Now, what is the strategy? The strategy is we will be having four lions. We will be having four lions. And this line we call it as supply, and this will have demand for the price action trader. If you are a novice trader, you don't know about any price action, then this line, the first black line, will be a sell entry and this will be a sell. The SL point will be a second buy entry. Second buy entry. Similarly here, this is our buy entry and this is the SL for buy entry, and this is our second sell. This is our second sell, and this is our SL for the second sell, and this is the SL for second buy. I repeat again, there are four lines. So this is the first top line and this is the first bottom line. This is the second top line and this is the second bottom line. And this will be our sell entry, first sell entry, and this will be our first sell SL. And this will be our first buy entry and this will be our first buy SL. Similarly, the first sell SL will be the second buy entry and the first sell will be the second buy SL. Similarly, the first buy SL will be second sell SL and the first buy entry will be second sell SL. I repeat the last line. The first buy SL will be second sell entry and the first buy entry will be second sell SL. Okay, it is only four line concept. Only four line concept. Okay, this is the sell entry, this is the buy entry, this is the SL for sell, this is the SL for buy, and vice versa SL we have to keep. So hope in this there is no doubt. But usually what will happen? Market may open above these two lines or below these two lines or in between these two lines or somewhere here or somewhere here. These are the maximum possibilities we are having in this market. Consider the majority of the day market will open at this place in between the lines. If market goes first to upper side, then our sell entry will be activated. Few people asked me, sir, we have to wait for any candle confirmation. Either candle has to close below that line or above that line. Should we consider anything buy above or sell below? Nothing like that. So you can exactly place the order at the price. Whatever is the place shown in the sell entry. Say it is, suppose say you are trading in Bank Nifty and our sell entry is 38,000. Okay. You can exactly place in features 38,000 sell entry. Suppose say it is 37,000 in buy entry, right? Then you can exactly place at 37,000. So only if it is coming to this place, you have to sell. If it is coming to this place, you have to buy. Whichever side market comes first, only that side you have to trade, and other side you have to ignore. Another side you have to ignore. Now consider this scenario. So suppose today sell has been activated and it has reversed perfectly and our target is met here. Your trading of the day is over. Your trading for the day is over. No more trading for you. Close the trading system and do some other work if you have. Or consider, suppose buy got activated first and your target has been met. Again, your trading for the day is over. You have to close your trading system, do some other work if you have, or sleep. The third scenario will be first sell got activated. Here, sell got activated, and instead of giving target, it has reversed and our SL hit. Once SL hit, we should not worry. We should not be in panic because we know already what to do, right? What we have to do, if SL hit, the advanced pending order of double lot for buying should be ready. So once SL hit, automatically your sell position will be exited and your buy position will be inactive. Now the first target you have to book. Why first target? You have taken double lot. One lot is to recover your previous loss and one lot is to book the profit for the day. So this is third scenario. Then what about the fourth scenario? Suppose say market has come to first buy first. Instead of giving target, it has reversed to SL. Again, once SL hit, don't worry, don't be panic because you know what to do when the SL is hit. You will be ready with advanced pending order for double lot at the same place of the SL for selling. Then you have to book at the first target. Why we are booking at the first target? Minimum, because to recover the previous loss one lot, and to book the profit for the day one lot. Now in the same day we have booked the profit and we have recovered the loss. This is fourth scenario. Then what about the fifth scenario? Suppose if both the side SL hit, then we have to close the trade for the day. Don't trade more if you are a small trader. And if you have very good capital and you can keep trading, again third time also you can take 4 lot. Third time also you can take 4 lot and you can recover the loss and you can book the profit. Clear? So this is our strategy. It will work in all the market. In fact, it will work very perfectly. In fact, it will work very perfectly. I show you an example. So what I shown you in the explanation section, the same thing is there in our indicator now. Now this is the Paytm I have taken for an example. Now I don't know market will open here or here or here. Wherever it is opening, no problem. I will not mind. Right. So in the indicator, what and all I have? Let me show you First I show you iCore 2.0. See, in iCore 2.0 and 3.0, the initial settings are same. There will be nothing different. Okay, only some extra features are there in the 3.0. Now let me come to 2.0 first. In the 2.0, we have the first initial section is the chart time frame. What is chart time frame? Chart time frame means, suppose in chart you have kept 15 minutes time frame. You have kept 15 minutes time frame, but in the indicator you want to see what is the level in the 1 hour time frame. What is the level in the 1 hour time frame? Now the chart will show you 1 hour time frame only, but you will be seeing the candlestick of the 15 minutes whatever you kept. So the self-explanatory section we have given here. It allows the indicator to be calculated on a time frame different from the chart's time frame. So your chart time frame will be different than the time frame what you have chosen here. So self-explanatory section is there. This is the features, free features available in the trading view. So I have given here. If you want, you can use it. Otherwise, simply keep it in default mode. Next section what we have given our contact number. And the third section we have given select time frame. So these are the major time frame we are using in our indicator in 2.0 as well as in the 3.0. Why we are using this time frame? By default you have to use D. Next option for Bank Nifty and NSE you can use 360, then 3D, then W, then 3W, then M. So these are the 6 combinations we have in our indicator. It's like a kabaddi. Okay, this trading is like a kabaddi. Why I'm saying it is a kabaddi? See, in kabaddi people what will they will do? See this. There are two team A and team B, and this is the middle area. When a person comes from team B to team A, so he will first come here. So whenever he is coming here, these people will not come to this place and catch him, because the distance between these two is very small. So immediately he might come back and all these people will be out. They will lose the point. Instead of that, if you know the playing techniques, these team A people will allow the team B person to enter into deeper and deeper and deeper. So he will come, he will come, he will come, he will come here. Then this fellow, all this fellow will come here. All these fellows will come here and will catch him. So that the energy of this person to reach back to the destination will be very less. I repeat, the energy of this person to reach back the destination and making the people of A will be very less. So that is our concept in trading also. Similarly here, when a person from a team A enters to team B, these all the B team will not come and catch these people at the same place, because the distance between the person and the entry point is very small. So at any time he might come back. Instead of that, B team people will allow the A team person to enter deeper here. Then all the team B people will be engulf them, will be engulfing the team A person, so that at any point of time this fellow cannot reach back to the target reaching side. So hope this is clear. Now with what is the correlation of this example with our trading system? As I told you, there are only 4 lines. There are only 4 lines. Now what is the first opportunity we have? The first opportunity is with the day time frame. Next opportunity will be 3D time frame, and next opportunity will be weekly time frame, and the fourth opportunity is 3W time frame, and the fifth opportunity is monthly time frame. Right? This is the maximum. For each and every level, there will be a 4 lines, which means there is a entry point, there is a SL point, there is a reversal entry, and there is a reversal SL, and there is a reversal targets for each and every. So you know what risk you are taking, and you know what rewards you will be getting. So hope it is clear. So by default, you start with the D. If market is having more volatile, then instead of following D, you can straight away follow the 3D. Then the next reversal point will be at weekly, and next reversal point will be 3W, and the next reversal will be monthly. Clear? So this is our concept. So up to this we have in our MST iCore 2.0. Next one what we have, MST other calculation. So this calculation is based on the candlestick movement. Based on the candlestick movement. It will further help you to have the entry at the little further level. Okay, still distance level. So this you have to practice. And next one is the MST trend zone. What is the use of this trend zone? Whenever these lines are above the candlestick, it means that the market is in sell trend. So you can see very clearly, naked eye you can see, naked chart. See, the PAYTM has lost its buying strength at this place. So from 937 it is in sell trend, not in 937. Somewhere here it has lost here at 1656. Okay, 1656 itself, the PAYTM lost its buying strength. There is no buyer after this. So from there we should be in the selling side only. Clear? This is the another settings we have. And next one we have the entry points. Buy entry, then first buy targets SL. Similarly for sell entry SL. Buy entry SL, second sell SL. Then weekly buy zone we have, weekly sell zone we have. And the remaining parts are calculation. Suppose say you are a small trader, you cannot take more risk. In such cases, we have given different options. What are the different options we have given? Tiny SL. The SL will be very small, and you can keep big SL or small SL, normal targets, big targets, or big 2 targets. Consider this is 1:1, this is 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, and 1:5. If you are taking 1 point risk, then you can book 2 points reward. So whichever calculation you want, that you can select here. By default, we have given very tiny SL. Importantly, since we are following a same indicator for all the script, it is not possible for us to give the same SL point to all the script. It is not possible for BANKNIFTY to have 1 point SL, right? Similarly, it is not possible for natural gas or zinc to have 100 point SL, because the value of the natural gas is different, the value of the zinc per point is different, and value of the BANKNIFTY per point is different. Similarly, the movement also different. In a BANKNIFTY, in a second there will be 100 points movement, whereas in a zinc like script the movement per second will be sometimes 0. Even for 24 hours of trading day, the movement will be 3 points or 4 points. So depending upon the movement of the script, you can select the movement of the script, as well as the value of the script, you can select the SL and the target. SL and the target. If you don't understand anything, simply keep in default settings. And the next one we have given the one more central pivot point. One more central pivot point. What is central pivot point here? See, this is the midpoint of buy and sell entry. This is the midpoint of the buy and sell entry. We are given, suppose market has opened above here, and if you know price action, if it is not coming down, if none of the candle is breaking below that line, then whenever the candle is opening above this line, mark the high and low. Once high broken, go for the buy till this level. Similarly, once low broken, go for sell till this level. So this kind of trading also you can take. So this is also possible. And next one, what we have here, DTP. What is DTP? It will show you the midpoint of first sell and the second buy. Similarly, DBP. It will show the midpoint of first buy and second sell. See here. Hope it is clear. Then we have first buy target 4, extra target. So by default you will be getting 3 targets. Here if you want you can take extra targets. First buy target 4, first sell target 4, second buy target 4 and second sell target 4. If you want to know the pivot point, central pivot point, CPR, then you can see here. If you want to know the previous day close, that also you can see here. So all the options we have given in the single indicator. Then what about this? This is a manual drawing. Suppose say you want to draw one line. Suppose say in a PAYTM, the important level as per your knowledge is 815. If you want to draw this line 815 or 820, so enter the values here and select me for manual drawing as well as the first one. Then the 820 line will be formed. So whenever market is crossing this level, so you could consider that there is a very good buying opportunity. Whenever it is breaking below that, there is a very good selling opportunity. So this is for drawing manual line. The next one will be, we have given 3 moving averages. We have given 3 moving averages and different versions. So you can choose simple moving average or exponential moving average, Hull moving average, weighted moving average, or SWMA or VWMA or VWAP also you can select. Okay, in a single option we have given multiple option. So moving average 1, then moving average 2, then moving average 3, and finally we have given the disclaimer from the MST School of Trading. So as per the government rule, whoever is not SEBI registered, they cannot give any recommendation for buying or selling the stocks or any script of the share market. So that is why it is compulsory to share that we are not SEBI registered. See here in a self-explanation we are given, we are not SEBI registered and this tool is only for educational purpose. We are not responsible for your profit or loss. And lifetime validity of this indicator is subject to tradingview.com house rules and other rules set by them. So this is the entire things available in the MST iCore 2.0. Now what is the extra options we have in the MST 3.0? See, same thing, chart available, contact number available and time frame available. Here I have given some extra time frame because few of the customers have asked me, I want 45 minutes time frame, I want 120 minutes time frame, I want 45 days, sorry this is not minutes, 45 days, 120 days, right? And trend zone is there, MST other calculation is there. Here if you see, here it is first buy and first buy targets and there is no SL here, there is no SL here. If we see in MST 2.0, there is a separate SL here. Okay. Why we have not given separate SL? Because we know the first buy SL will be second SL and second SL will be first buy. Okay, and first SL will be second buy and first buy SL will be second SL. Very simple. That is why we have not given. And still, if you are confused, here we have given extra option. First SL you can select, first buy SL, second SL, and second buy SL you can select. And another thing what we have given, tiny SL, same thing. Here we have added one more option for the forex. Okay, forex means the dollar value is 0.08, so the movement will be very less. For that we cannot keep tiny SL, so that we have given forex SL. Similarly for the forex targets, there also MST central pivot point 1 was there, here also it was there, but here we have given extra. What is that extra? First sell SL, similarly first buy target 4 and all. Then manual calculation for drawing a line we have given. Then MST central pivot point 2. Then first target, first extra target 5, first buy target 5, first sell target 5 we have given. Then 3. So here we have given extra targets for the 6. Then we have given extra targets for the 7. Okay, here we have given weekly entry midpoint and monthly entry midpoint. Same thing here also, moving averages 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. Moving average 1 2 3. And yesterday I had given one option extra features that I will see one second why it is not updated. See here, now yesterday I added this point, that is show candle strength. So if you know the strength of the candle, then you can decide based on the price action theory. But to use our indicator, you need no knowledge in the market. Simply follow what is mentioned over there. Okay, now it is coming to an important section, that is the advanced version. What is that? Select market type. When day starts for the day, you have to start with the default settings. See the market type, what you have to select? Default. It is for all the markets, default only. Once you have got the targets, close the trade, don't overtrade. If you want to trade again, then select the morning. If you have booked the profit, exit from the market, don't trade again. Again, if you are more aggressive, if you want to trade again and again, we have the option. Go to noon, then evening, then late evening, then night, late night. If you want to trade in forex, select forex. Suppose for tomorrow, if you want to know the levels today, when market is open, you want to enter into trade immediately, then select NSE tomorrow. If you want to trade in MCX, when the market is open immediately, if you want to trade, then select MCX tomorrow. So we have these many options. How many options we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 options we have. So in a day, you can generate the signals 10 times. 10 times you will get 4 entry. 10 into 4, 40 entries you will be getting. 40 entries you will be getting. And if we change the time frame also, you will get n number of entries. So this is the difference between MST iCore 2.0 and 3.0. If you want to trade only one trade in a day, then MST 2.0 is enough for you. If you want to trade multiple trades in a day, then only you have to go for the MST 3.0, because all other formulas are same, only entries are different. And here, since we have not given a separate SL over there in the 3.0 like given in the 2.0, we were able to add more features like MST 1 point, central pivot point 1 2 3. So though we have added one MST pivot point 1 in 2.0, there were no further space to add 2 and 3. That is why we have added in the 3.0. Okay, but all other features are same, nothing is different. Now let me show you one live trade using our MST 2.0 or 3.0, because I said both are same except some features. So whenever it comes to starting of the day, you have to start with the default settings, right? For NSE, it is advisable to keep 360-degree. If it is gap down or gap down, keep only in the default settings. See here, in Paytm, what happened? Market opened and immediately our levels are getting formed. In at 9:30, at 9:30 or 9:15 to 9:30, exactly our sell entry got activated. See the high made was 802.85 and our sell entry was 802.80. So exactly our sell entry got activated. In fact, it went 5 paisa extra to our sell entry. Then it has fallen like anything. So we have got a very good, perfect, accurate sell entry and our all targets have been achieved. Now see here, since it is a 3-digit stock, we should not keep tiny SL. So those techniques we will teach you when you have joined us. You can keep normal SL and normal target. If you are worried about keeping normal SL, normal targets, at least keep small SL so that you will avoid frequent SL hit in a volatile market. So now come here. Since buy sell activated, we should not be in buy. So disable the buy. So enable first sell targets and first sell SL. Remove second buy, second sell, and remove everything. That's all. See here, all the targets in the sell entry has been achieved. Now to know the maximum target, keep in normal and see they are also achieved. Big targets, big target also achieved. If you want to extend the further target, go here and select first sell target 4. See the perfection. All the targets have been achieved. All the targets from here to here, all the targets perfectly achieved. The distance between the stop loss and the entry is very small, but here targets are very big. So this is how we have to trade. This is very simple. It is just like LKG stuff. You watch this video again and again until you get a clear picture. Clear? So there is nothing else. Suppose instead of giving the targets today, okay, instead of coming down, if it has reversed here, then what we will be doing? We will go here and we will enable second buy entry and second buy targets. So here will be our second buy entry double lot and here we will be booking our target. That's all. So our loss will be recovered and profit will be there. I show you the example from the crude oil. Same thing happened yesterday. For commodity market, we have to keep default settings. Only for NSE, we are suggesting 360. That also you can keep in day time frame, no issue. See here, yesterday what happened? Yesterday there was a market gap up. Immediately sell activated at 9:45. If buy activated, if sell activated, there is no buy until the SL hit. Immediately SL also hit. So now what you have to do? Come here. Since first sell activated, you can keep the first sell entry. Then second buy activated, second buy SL, remove all other things. See, Here we started our journey at 7204, and all our 3 targets have been achieved in a tiny SL. Then you can increase the targets. In big targets, 3 targets achieved. In big 2 targets, all the 3 targets have been achieved. So now here you can apply one price action method. What is the price action? See, this candle is breaking the resistance and closing above. If the high of this candle is broken, you can go for the buy again. Otherwise, mark the low of this candle as well as mid of this candle. If not broken, then market will give retracement up to the midpoint. Now we have to go for the sell with this as the SL. You can keep 3 points, 4 points buffer extra. So this will be your selling entry. You can book the profit. See, again, once again it has touched here. It has formed double top. Then it has fallen. Again it has taken resistance from our levels. Then it has fallen. So today also, if this level is broken, then further fall expected. If this level is broken, then it will retrace to 7498. So if you know a little bit of price action knowledge, then you can apply like this. So in addition to using our level like buy, sell, target, SL and all, you can use each and every line as this best support and resistance level. Each one of the level are very good support and resistance level. So hope I have taken much of your time. I have explained everything today. Nothing is left. Everything is clear, right? And next one, MST iCore 3.0 advanced level. So I have kept in default. Suppose I want to trade in the morning level. In the morning. Then this will be your morning entry. As I told you, you have to keep normal because it is the small one, right? See here. In the normal, what happened? You can use other calculation or you can use 3D because of reversal. Clear? It is keep in mind it is a kabaddi like technique. You have to let the market to go deeper and deeper so that if you are catching them, they cannot escape from you. So the next reversal wise, I told you it is the 3D. So now sell activated, enable sell targets. See here, immediately all the targets have been achieved, but it was the tiny. So I will change it to normal. So if I keep normal SL, I have to follow normal targets only. Clear? This is the one. So in morning session also we got the profit. Next one, noon. Noon also we got the profit. And evening there is no market. Evening also we got the entry. See here, first buy entry. I will enable this first buy entry, remove first sell target, second buy, and I will keep it second buy, everything. See here, evening market also we got first buy entry exactly and 2 targets perfectly hit. As I told you, each line is our very good support and resistance. Exactly, it has taken resistance there, then it has fallen. Okay. So this is how we have to trade. Don't forget. This is another type. Next one, in NSE market, this is the maximum. And then NSE tomorrow. Let us see for today. So market has opened today. Am I right? This is NSE tomorrow. Right. I will keep in default settings. I will make it NSE tomorrow. If market opens today above this level, we should be buying below this level we should be selling. If it is breaking these two lines, we should be in sell mode. I show you in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty I show you. See, market is opening at 35,087. Go for buy entry. Below this level, sell entry. If it is opening somewhere here, if it is touching here, then sell. If it is breaking here, from here we have to buy. It is very, very simple. So any doubts, you can ask us at any time. We are available to give our service 24/7 for you. The same concept is applied over for all the scripts. There is no changes in it. So you can apply different settings and you can make good profit. Okay, thank you all for watching our video. This is the complete video I have given for both 2.0 and 3.0. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. And for one more thing I wanted to show you for Forex. So if you want to trade in Forex, where is this USD? This I show you. So in Forex, I will keep it in 15 minutes. This is the Forex trading system. So I will keep it in Forex SL and Forex target. So what happened here? Buy activated yesterday and first buy target also hit. See here exactly first buy targets hit. Sell second sell activated, all the targets hit. So this way you can trade. Here exactly from monthly buy zone, it is getting reversed to sell entry. Now again it will reverse from there until it breaches the second buy entry. Then US oil also you can use. So you can practice all these things as per your requirement. We have given the option. See here, buy activated here. See the full targets have been given. Once again it has taken support from here and it is given the full target. So we have given multiple options. Only thing is you have to practice. If you cannot practice anything, please follow only with the default settings. If you can practice different version, then you can practice this. Okay. Thank you all for watching the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.